Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. In today's video, we'll be testing the CUAV C-RTK 3G5 installed on a drone platform. Let's take a look at the real-world positioning accuracy, hover stability, and return-to-home performance of this next-generation centimeter-level positioning and heading module. The main products used in this test include the CRTK 3G5, the CUAV 7 Nano flight controller, the Skydroid G16 remote controller, and the SIYI F9P base station kit, including the antenna, module, feeder cable, and USB cable. Before flight preparation. After powering on the drone, do not install the propellers yet. First, connect the flight controller to the QGC ground station. Then unlock the motors through QGC on the remote controller and check whether each motor rotates in the correct direction. After confirming everything is correct, install the propellers. Next, we use the SIYI F9P base for satellite acquisition. First, connect the base station antenna to the feeder cable. Then connect the feeder cable to the F9P module. Mount the antenna onto a tripod and connect the F9P module to the computer using a USB cable. Open Mission Planner Ground Station software. In the Setup interface, click Optional Hardware. Then select RTK GPS Inject. Choose the correct COM port for the base station and click Connect. If you are unsure which port to select, you can first check the Windows Device Manager. After connecting successfully, click Restart. The ground station will then transmit RTCM correction data to the CRTK base station, allowing the base station to begin reacquiring satellites. When all 5 indicators inside the RTCM status box turn green, it means satellite acquisition is complete. Next, return to the flight interface and enable the hotspot function on the G16 remote controller. After the laptop connects to the G16 hotspot, open Mission Planner and select TCP as the connection type, with the baud rate set to 57,600. After clicking Connect, enter the IP address 192.168.43.1 and port number 5760. Wait for the loading bar to complete, and the ground station will connect successfully. At this point, we can see that the CRTK 3G5 has entered RTK mode. Before takeoff, we once again confirm that the GPS status is RTK fix. Once everything is confirmed, we are ready for takeoff. The CRTK 3G5 is CUAV's new generation centimeter-level positioning and heading module. It integrates a high-performance STM32H5 processor and GNSS Plus technology suite, supports the CAN FD bus, and features 789 GNSS hardware channels. It supports multi-band, multi-constellation GNSS systems including GPS, Beidou, GLONASS, Galileo, and QZIS. The module supports dual antenna heading, enabling compass-free calibration while still providing highly accurate heading data in complex environments. RTK positioning accuracy reaches 0.6 cm plus 0.5 ppm horizontally and 1 cm plus 1 ppm vertically. The maximum update rate reaches 20 Hz, and the module also supports interference detection and warning functions, maintaining stable operation even in environments with radio interference, electromagnetic interference, or spoofing attacks. During the actual flight test, we could clearly see that the drone maintained extremely stable position hold performance in RTK mode. Even under light crosswinds, the aircraft was able to lock onto its position very accurately with minimal hover drift. During high-speed forward flight, aggressive turns, and sudden stops, the CRTK 3G5 continued delivering highly stable and accurate positioning data. Even with rapid stick inputs, the aircraft quickly corrected its attitude without noticeable drift or heading deviation. The advantages of dual antenna heading were also very obvious, providing more stable heading lock during high-speed maneuvers. Next, we tested the return-to-launch performance by switching the remote controller into RTL Auto Return mode. We can see that the drone quickly adjusted its heading and automatically returned to the takeoff point. The overall return flight path was very smooth, the descent process remained stable, and the aircraft was able to land very close to the original takeoff position, demonstrating excellent RTK positioning performance. Overall, the CUAV C-RTK 3G5 delivers outstanding performance in flight stability, positioning accuracy, anti-interference capability, and return-to-home precision. For drone mapping, inspection, autonomous waypoint missions, and other high-precision applications, this is a highly reliable RTK solution. That concludes today's CUAV C-RTK 3G5 flight test video. If you would like to see more drone equipment reviews, tutorials, and flight test content, be sure to follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.